Our question is, by taking 3 different values of n, verify the truth of the following statements. So our first statement is, if n is even, then n cube is also even. So first we will take n as 2. So n cube here is 2 cube, which is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Second n we will take as 4. So n cube equals to 4 cube, which is equals to 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. Third n we will take as 10. So n cube equals to 10 cube, which is equals to 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1000. So here we can see that n is even, so n cube is also even. N is even, n cube is even. N is even, n cube is even. So our first statement is verified. Now the second statement is, if n is odd, then n cube is also odd. So first we will take n as 3. N cube will be 3 cube, which is equals to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. Second is n equals to 5. N cube will be 5 cube, which is equals to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125. Third n we will take as 11. So n cube equals to 11 cube, which is equals to 11 into 11 into 11. 11 into 11 121, 121 into 11 1331. So here n is odd, n cube is also odd. N is odd, n cube is also odd. N is odd, n cube is also odd. So our second statement is also verified. Now we will see the third statement. If n leaves remainder 1 when divided by 3, then n cube also leaves 1 as remainder when divided by 3. So first we will take n as 10. So in the statement it was given that when n divided by 3 gives remainder 1, then n cube divided by 3 must also gives remainder 1. So here 10 divided by 3 gives us remainder as 1. N cube here is 10 into 10 into 10, which is equals to 1000. Now we will divide 1000 by 3. 9. Again 9. Again 9. So it is leaving remainder as 1. So 1000 divided by 3 is also leaving 1 as the remainder. Now we will take second number as 7. So when 7 is divided by 3, it leaves 1 as remainder. N cube is 7 cube, which is equals to 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7, 343. So now we will divide 343 by 3. 1. Again 1. 13. 3 3 4s are 12, so 1. Now we can see that it leaves remainder 1. So 343 divided by 3 also leaves remainder as 1. Now we will take third number as 13. 13 divided by 3 leaves remainder 1, as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 13 will leave remainder as 1. So n cube here is 13 into 13 into 13. So 13 into 13 is 169. 169 into 13 is 2197. Now we will divide 2197 by 3. 21. So it will go by 7. 9, 3, 7 minus 6, 1. So it leaves remainder 1. So 2197 when divided by 3 also leaves 1 as the remainder. So our third statement is also verified. Now we will see our fourth statement. If a natural number n is of the form 3p plus 2, then n cube also a number of the same type. So in the question, the type of the number is given as 3p plus 2. So first we will find n by taking p as 0. 3 into 0 plus 2, this is equals to n. So 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Now we will find n cube, which is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, which gives us 8. Now we will divide 8 by 3, which will give us 2 as question and 2 as remainder. So we can write 8 as 3 into 2 plus 2. So it is also of the type 3p plus 2. So here n is 3p plus 2 and n cube, which is 8, is also of type 3p plus 2. Now we will take p as 1. So n equals to 3 into 1 plus 2, which is 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we will find n cube, which is 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125. Now we will divide 125 by 3. So it will go by 4, 5, 3 ones are 3, minus 3, 2. So it gives 41 as quotient and 2 as remainder. So we can write 125 as 3 into 41 plus 2. So it is of the form. So here we can see that n is also of the form 3p plus 2 and n cube, which is 125, is also equal to 3p plus 2. Now we will take p as 2. So n is 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 is of type 3p plus 2. Now we will find n cube, which is 8 cube. 8 into 8 into 8. So it will give us 512. Now we will divide 512 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. So it gives remainder as 2 and quotient as 17. So we can write 512 as 3 into 17 plus 2. So it is also of the form 3p plus 2. So n is of form 3p plus 2. N cube, which is 512, is also of the form 3p plus 2. Hence our fourth statement is also verified.